The ornithine cycle, also known as the urea cycle, is a crucial biochemical pathway that occurs primarily in the liver and plays a vital role in the detoxification of ammonia, a toxic waste product of protein metabolism, and the regulation of nitrogen balance in the body. The cycle starts with the conversion of ammonia and carbon dioxide into Carbamoyl phosphate in the mitochondria of liver cells, requiring the enzyme Carbamoyl phosphate synthetase I. Carbamoyl phosphate then combines with ornithine to form Citrulline, a reaction catalyzed by ornithine transcarbamylase. Citrulline is transported out of the mitochondria into the cytoplasm, where it reacts with aspartate to form argininosuccinate. With the help of argininosuccinate synthase, argininosuccinate is subsequently cleaved into fumarate and arginine by argininosuccinate lyase. Arginine can be further converted into ornithine and urea, with the enzyme arginase facilitating this reaction. The released urea is excreted by the kidneys, aiding in the elimination of excess nitrogen from the body. Overall, the ornithine cycle is essential for preventing ammonia toxicity and maintaining nitrogen homeostasis in the body, making it a critical component of human metabolism. Dysfunction in this cycle can lead to rare genetic disorders such as ornithine transcarbamylase deficiency, resulting in severe ammonia accumulation and potentially life-threatening consequences.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.